Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by choosing a no-logs VPN and installing it now. Do this on every device you use for browsing. Once installed, update your operating system and browser so security patches are applied. Then open the VPN app, sign in, and enable the kill switch so traffic blocks if the connection drops. Finally, pick a secure protocol like OpenVPN or WireGuard. These protect your data from your service provider and form the base of the privacy chain. Next, make sure DNS queries don't betray you. Switch to DNS over HTTPS or DNS over TLS, or route DNS through the VPN's resolver. Once done, configure your router to force all devices through the VPN, either by enabling VPN on the router or installing compatible firmware, so every household device is covered. Also, tighten browser privacy settings, disable WebRTC if necessary, and run DNS and IP leak tests to confirm your ISP. To finish, verify that your IP and DNS are masked by running multiple leak tests while connected. Make sure the results show the VPN server location, not your ISP. If speed is unacceptable, try a closer server or switch protocols to WireGuard for performance gains. If browsing stops or you detect leaks, check the kill switch and VPN logs, restart the router and app, and if needed, contact your VPN support. One troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable browser extensions to rule out local leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.